Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Alpha 7 IV is probably one of the most versatile and highly anticipated mirrorless full-frame cameras on the market, boasting impressive image quality, advanced autofocus, and a sleek, ergonomic design that makes it perfect for both professional photographers and enthusiastic amateurs. This in-depth review will explore its capabilities, examining its strengths and weaknesses to help you decide if it's the right camera for your needs. Number 5. Sony Alpha 7 IV Camera. Get ready to experience unparalleled image quality. It boasts a cutting-edge 33MP full-frame sensor and a revolutionary image processing engine. This camera's next-generation processing engine is 8 times more powerful than its predecessor. It delivers stunning detail and vibrant colors. Capture breathtaking 4K video at up to 60 frames per second with 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth. It's perfect for professional filmmakers and videographers. It uses 7K oversampling to create incredibly detailed 4K footage. You'll get stunning clarity and sharpness in every frame. Achieve cinematic color grading with ease. It features the S-Cinetone color profile, making it simple to create beautiful, professional-looking videos. It operates in a wide range of temperatures, from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. The power input is 100-240V, 50-60 Hz, 0.2A. What we like. It boasts an impressive resolution for incredibly detailed photos. Its advanced video capabilities let you capture stunning 4K footage. If you need a camera that excels in both stills and video, this is the one for you. What people say. The autofocus speed is the biggest thing I noticed immediately. Even older lenses like my 55mm Zeiss is very fast on this camera. The other thing I noticed is how this camera body is about twice as thick as the original A7. The thickness, from what I understand, is the sensor stabilization, which by the way the original A7 didn't have. This camera's ISO has some dual sensor business going on. It's good because if you shoot at 100 ISO or 400 ISO, your images will look almost identical on noise. Number 4. Nikon Z 6.2 Camera. Experience unparalleled versatility with this full-frame mirrorless camera. It's perfect for both stills and videos, offering exceptional image quality and performance. Its 24.5MP BSI sensor excels in low light, capturing stunning images even in challenging conditions. You'll be amazed by the detail and clarity. Shoot at up to 14 frames per second, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. It's ideal for sports, wildlife, and any fast-paced scene. It delivers top-of-the-line 4K UHD video performance at up to 60p, utilizing full pixel readout for exceptional quality. Create professional-grade videos with ease. Enjoy a significantly larger buffer, faster continuous shooting, and improved autofocus for capturing fleeting moments with speed and accuracy. It's incredibly responsive. With dual card slots, you have the flexibility to use CFexpress XQD and UHS-2 SD cards, providing redundancy and peace of mind for important shoots. It's been thoughtfully designed for maximum comfort and ease of operation. You'll appreciate its intuitive controls and ergonomic design. Expand its capabilities with the optional vertical battery grip for enhanced comfort and extended shooting sessions. Perfect for vertical compositions. USB-C constant power and charging keep it running smoothly during live streams, video shoots, and time-lapses. Never worry about running out of battery. It's compatible with a wide range of Nikon Z and f-mount lenses, giving you incredible flexibility to capture any scene. Explore your creative potential. What we like. With its blazing fast continuous shooting, you'll never miss a moment. It also performs exceptionally well in low light. If you're an action photographer or videographer who needs speed and reliability, this camera is perfect for you. What people say. Good, sharp photos, obviously lens dependent. I did most of my testing with the included Nikon 24-70mm f4 and my old Sigma 17-50mm f2.8 with the FTZ adapter. You can find way better photos by much better photographers on Pro Reviews or other Amazon reviews, but rest assured those reviewers are right. This camera takes excellent photos. 4K 60 fps recording works perfectly. Mine came in a box with the software update already installed, so I assume yours will too. I didn't have to do anything other than turn it on in the settings. Even with the crop, it's smooth, sharp, and easy to work with. The ability to charge the battery and camera via USB-C is awesome. The ability to power the camera with one is even cooler. Number 3. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Experienced the power of a full-frame CMOS sensor. It delivers stunning 24.2 megapixel images, capturing incredible detail even in low light. The advanced DigicX image processor enhances performance. Enjoy sharp, high-resolution images and videos with minimal noise, thanks to its superior image processing and stabilization. Never miss a shot with high-speed continuous shooting. It captures up to 40 frames per second at 20 MP, freezing dynamic action with incredible clarity. It intelligently detects and tracks a wide range of subjects, from people and animals to vehicles and even aircraft. Focus is always where you need it. Advanced head, face, and eye detection ensures sharp focus on your subject, even tracking moving eyes and bodies for flawless results. Film without limits. It offers up to 6 hours of continuous Full HD video recording, and you can shoot stunning 4K or even Full HD high frame rate video. Share your masterpieces instantly. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow for easy uploading and sharing to your social networks via the Canon Camera Connect app. What we like. Capture incredible action shots with its super-fast continuous shooting mode. The advanced autofocus ensures you'll always be in focus. If you're a sports photographer or wildlife enthusiast, this camera is a game-changer. What people say. The Canon R6 Mark II stands out as one of the best for capturing stunning photos with ease and precision. Its focus tracking is amazing how accurately and quickly it locks onto subjects, even those in motion. This capability has elevated my photography to a whole new level, allowing me to capture moments with incredible detail and clarity. The autofocus in particular is a huge step forward. I enjoy the ease of control and immediate access to what I want to adjust before taking the photo. 2 card slots is great if using this in a new professional job or even capturing special moments. This camera has amazing video capabilities. This camera excellent for any kind of photography, focusing system is top-notch. Shooting photos at a blazing 40 frames per second with little rolling shutter, I like the 24 MP full-frame sensor size that give amazing picture quality with very well-controlled noise even at high ISO. Video quality also is excellent, 4K at 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. Number 2. Canon EOS RP Camera Kit. It's Canon's full-frame mirrorless camera, perfect for travel and vlogging. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to take anywhere. It features a versatile 24 to 105 mm zoom range, capturing stunning images with ease. You'll love its incredible image quality. It boasts impressive optical image stabilization, correcting up to 5 stops of shake. Say goodbye to blurry photos and videos. Get up close and personal with its impressive macro capabilities. It offers a minimum focusing distance of just 0.43 feet in macro mode. Use it as a high-quality webcam with the EOS utility software or via HDMI output. It seamlessly adapts to your needs. Capture breathtaking 4K UHD video at 2160p resolution. Your videos will look incredibly sharp and detailed. What we like. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for travel and vlogging. The versatile zoom lens covers a wide range of shooting situations. If you're a travel photographer or vlogger who values portability, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The video on this is amazing. Huge step up from the T3i. The face-detecting autofocus works great and nearly all of my shots are perfectly in focus unless it's super dark, which it has a little more of a struggle with, but obviously any camera would. The photo capability has shocked me even more than the video. The autofocus on this is so much better. The full-frame sensor on this camera makes a huge difference too. The low light performance is so much better and the size of these photos is insane. The autofocus is very fast and it can continuously autofocus. For example, when your kid charges at you to see what picture you just took, you can just keep clicking. Beaches have a lot of backlight reflected from the sand and water, which causes people to appear as shadows. But even on auto, people's faces are bright, easy to see, and in focus, and the background behind them isn't washed out. I had a much higher percentage of in focus, well-balanced images to choose from than my old camera. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 II. Experience unparalleled image stabilization with this revolutionary camera. Its 5-axis in-body system ensures crisp, clear photos, even when shooting handheld. Capture breathtaking detail with its 24.3 MP full-frame sensor. Enjoy stunning image quality and vibrant colors in every shot. It's the world's first full-frame camera with 5-axis image stabilization. Say goodbye to blurry images caused by camera shake. Its advanced hybrid autofocus system is 30% faster than its predecessor. Capture fleeting moments with incredible precision. Compose your shots with ease using its bright and clear electronic viewfinder. See exactly what you're capturing before you take the picture. Use your favorite lenses to achieve your unique creative vision. It's compatible with a wide range of E-mount lenses. What we like. Enjoy blur-free images thanks to its revolutionary in-body image stabilization. It delivers stunning high-resolution photos. If you prioritize image quality and stability, this camera is a must-have. What people say. The original A7 was named Camera of the Year for cramming a 24 MP full-frame sensor into a compact mirrorless body. How does Sony top it with the A7 II? By improving ergonomics, focus speed, video capabilities, and delivering a groundbreaking in-body image stabilization system, the world's first 5-axis stabilized full-frame sensor. In-body steady shot, this is the marquee feature and for good reason. Now all of your lenses have image stabilization, including those 40-year-old Nikons and Leicas. It's amazing and it works. The camera boots up quickly and focuses quickly as well even in fairly low light. Also by using adapters, I can use 35mm full-frame glass and APS-C smaller frame lens I have collected over the years. The 5-axis stabilization works perfectly with current Sony E-mount lenses and 3-axis, more basic, is the default stability for all other glass including everything from screw-mount 50-year-old glass to Minolta 20-year-old glass with AF. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.